Tudur Tudur here, Devonshire Youth Services. Transition into year 7 is getting closer. Mae mynd I flwyddyn 7 yn dod yn agosach. I lot o'n chi sydd technically ddim yn blwyddyn 6 wan. So we're going to look today at learning. Learning means we're going to look at the new subjects you will come to face in high school. The new systems in regards to emotional well-being, where to get support and stuff like food systems. And the third aspect is we're going to look at systems that you can put in place to help you transition into year 7. Food systems, systema bwyd. I want to eat this pizza here. Looks nice. Felly, be dyn ni angen gwneud ydy, we need to take our thumb, which will be registered by the school, and we need to take it to the counter and scan it. How do you put money on your thumb? So you can put your money on your thumb through online services, like pres erch bawd ar systema online. Your parents and guardians will sort this out, neu rhieni neu gorchodwyr sortio'r allan. Or you can take your thumb to a machine in the school and put physical cash onto it. All you've got to do basically is turn up with your thumb. There is a spend cap limit. Mae 'na limit a faint ych chi'n gwario fo'n diwrnod. You take it to the thumb, and as long as you haven't gone over your limit, you've got enough money on your thumb, you scan it down and you pick what you want. There are a lot of options. But remember, if you eat healthy, then your brain will work better. Felly, just cofiwch eich bawd. Just remember your thumb. Problems. So, I have a problem. How do I solve it? Let's look at it. So, I'm going to problem. First point of call for me would be if you've got a problem, same as primary school, you tell a teacher. Now these guys are very, very good, especially in high school. They're very experienced and of course they're professionals, so they know how to deal with your problems. If you feel like you can't tell a teacher, you can also tell, of course, a sixth form student. Remember, if you have problems, you usually have form teachers, or you have a teacher or a mentor that will look after the whole of your year. And they oversee problems. You can also report bullying to these teachers, and also of course just talk about any general queries. If you have a problem, that's good, remember. But if you don't speak about it, that's bad. So tell your teachers or a sixth form student or anyone. All adults are there to listen to you.
General queries, unrhyw wybodaeth eraill.
Maybe you've lost a shoe, maybe you've left your water bottle on the field. Wrach bo chi eisiau gwybod pa stafell mae Mr Jones yn dysgu yn. You simply go to the office. Every school will have an office and you can go there for all your general inquiries.
Ça va, bonjour.
That's all I remember. So, that was my attempt at French. So when you go to year 7, you're going to have new subjects, and it's really good to have variation. So you'll have subjects like tech, where you look at cooking, woodwork, you'll have ICT, you'll have French, and music. So basically all it is, I wouldn't worry, is you're going to have a variation of things that you've done already in primary, but you concentrate a bit more on them just to see if you enjoy them or not. Of course, going to be history, your sciences, your maths as well. Felly, pam ydych chi yn dod I ysgol uwchradd, ydych chi'n mynd I gael eich technoleg, sydd yn edrych ar stwff am gwaith pren, gwaith redyr, eich textiles, coginio, Ffrangeg. Felly, ydych chi'n mynd I gael pethau ydych chi wedi wneud yn barod yn ysgol gynradd, ydych chi jyst yn mynd I edrych bach mwy manwl arnyn nhw, pethau fatha cerddoriaeth hefyd. Felly, sy'n angen poeni, there's definitely no need to worry. You've got this 100%. Cant to cant. Fatha reef kind of thing ydy o. So it's a reef, it's an outreach reef with dysgu learning in the middle. Now some of you are going to be really nervous for going into year 7. Mae'n rhaid I chi'n fod yn nervous from that way. I'm mynd I flwyddyn 7. So how about you put yourself in the middle, you put the outline of your hand, you cut it out and you put it around yourself. And this means that you're expanding. Mae hyn yn meddwl bod chi yn ehangu gorwelion. So for every time that you do something positive in regards to transition, it could be asking a teacher for help, it could be putting money on your thumb for the first time, or it could be simply trying something new like a club, such as a club newydd. You write it in your hand and it just shows that you're expanding and reaching out. So don't be nervous about transitioning, please be nervous on mini blwyddyn 7, because as I've said before, you've got this. So have a go creating your own one. Any questions you have, please contact us. We're on Twitter, Facebook, okay, and of course you can search for us on Google. If you can create your own, please tweet it in, Facebook us with your own outreach transition brief. That'd be brilliant.